Wow! Almost.
He's trying to make it hide behind something, and then he'll like, he can't help it.
Whoa.
He has to try to run after it.
Cat, quick.
Jump. Calculate and jump. Are you so serious? Jump.
Wow! Good job! Wow! Look at the innocent look in his eyes.
Yeah, sometimes he starts purring when I play with his ears. Maybe he's too curious now.
You missed. Strike two. Oh, he got it. Cat, quick. Oh, good job. Just tugging at it like a dog. Too funny.
See, he shoves
Oh,
it in
whiskers? Oh, he doesn't like it for sure. It's like, oh, this is ticklish. This is disgusting. Where did it come from? Must be from some disgusting animals. Like a cat. Oh, wow! Let's go for a stroke outside. Oh, wow. Good. Wow. Good cat. Good cat. Oh. So cute, Norco. You're a baby. He does look like a baby. But he's big. It's like holding a tiger. Wow! Almost. Almost. Wow!
Oh, you're so tired.
Wow, I really like spinach. What can we say? The whole thing?
You like spinach?
No hold bar. Good job, Norco. Good job, good job. Good cat. Good boy. Can't imagine.
Good job.
All right, now he's not gonna let go.
Good job.